My dear student Jihad, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, could you tell me, আমাকে যেতে হয়েছিল,
I have to go.
আমাকে যেতে হবে,
I had to go.
I
Had to go.
no, আমাকে যেতে হবে,
I have to go.
have to go.
Yes.
Okay, আমাকে লিখতে হবে,
I have to write.
আমাকে লিখতে হয়েছিল,
I had to write.
গুড। তাদেরকে স্কুলে যেতে হয়েছিল,
They have to go to school.
যেতে হয়েছিল,
They have to go school. They
Uh,
have to go school.
যেতে হয়েছিল,
they have to go school.
হ্যাভ টু মানে যেতে হবে, আর হ্যাভ
Had
টু মানে
to.
হয়েছিল।
They had to go school.
তাদেরকে স্কুলে যেতে হবে,
They have to go school.
গুড। তাদেরকে খেলতে হবে,
They have to play.
গুড। তাকে শপিং করতে হবে,
They have to go shopping.
okay, perfect. Now thanks a lot. So go to your seat and sit down, please. My dear student Saad, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So could you tell me, আমাদের পড়তে হবে,
They have to write.
no আমাদের,
They have to eat.
আমাদের
We have to eat.
we have to read.
Yes.
আমাদের পড়তে হয়েছিল,
We had to write. We had to read.
গুড। আমাদের খেলতে হয়েছিল,
We had to eat.
খেলতে হয়েছিল, খেলতে,
We had to play.
গুড। আমাদের খেলতে হবে,
We had to play.
গুড। আমাদের ফুটবল খেলতে হবে,
We had to play football.
গুড, পারফেক্ট, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Yes.
So thank you, thanks a lot, you're most welcome.